Wake up, Jack, the sun is here. First day back, let's give a cheer. Under blankets warm and tight, school is calling, day is bright. Across the town in her own bed, Anna lifts her sleepy head. Today's the day she's waited for, a year of fun and learning's in store. Blue shirt on, lunchbox packed, shoes all tied, he's right on track. A backpack with the dino roar, Jack's ready to explore once more. Pink shirt neat, her ribbons tied, her strawberry bag's right by her side. With smiles so big they both can't wait to meet again at the school gate. Jack munches toast, Anna eats fruit, each in their kitchen looking so cute. Parents say be kind, have fun, their school day adventures just begun. Jack walks fast, sneakers aglow, Anna skips down the street in a flow. Two different roads, one place they'll be, where welcome back hangs for all to see. Jack and Anna face to face, run to hug in a warm embrace. Giggles, chatter, heart so light, first day back feels just right. Painting, counting, learning new things, happiness in all it brings. Side by side they laugh and play, what a perfect start to the day. Swings that soar up to the sky, slides and games as time flies by. With friends around and laughter too, Jack and Anna's bond just grew. School bell rings, it's time to part, but friends like this stay in the heart. See you tomorrow, they both say, back to school, hip, hip hooray.